Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the best products to use for a fun DIY project. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, these products will make your next project a breeze. So, let's get started. The first product on our list is an acrylic paint set. Acrylic paints are perfect for a variety of DIY projects, from painting canvas art to repurposing old furniture. They dry quickly and are water-resistant, so your project will last for years to come. Plus, with so many colors to choose from, the creative possibilities are endless. The next product on our list is a hot glue gun. A hot glue gun is a DIYer's best friend, allowing you to easily attach and secure a variety of materials. Whether you're crafting a DIY wreath or refurbishing an old piece of furniture, a hot glue gun will make the job much easier. Next up is an X-ACTO knife set. X-ACTO knives are perfect for precision cutting, whether you're trimming paper for a scrapbook or cutting out intricate designs for a DIY stencil. They are also great for carving and sculpting materials like foam or clay. Another essential product for any DIYer is PODGE. PODGE is a versatile crafting glue that can be used as a sealer, adhesive, and finish. It's perfect for decoupage projects, creating a glossy finish on your DIY creations. Last but not least, we have spray paint. Spray paint is a quick and easy way to transform just about anything, from old picture frames to furniture. It comes in a wide variety of colors and finishes, including metallic and glitter, so you can add a pop of color or shine to any DIY project. And there you have it, the best products to use for a fun DIY project. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these products will help make your next project a success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY inspiration.